What is it, Papa? He said I hear all kinds of stuff with the door open. I see birdies, Papa. I bet you they taste just like chicken. So, Papa, he said the door is open. I see things. I smell things. There's birds out there, I think. What's that? There's a big truck out there, Papa. It's a big one.
With Jeff. Frank, you want to split up and look around in here? There's another room in there. This place.
All right, man. If you want to do that, I built the first shelter. I'll go with that. Matt's pretty set on this. I'm going to see how this is going to work out, but I think it's a bad idea. We have a bunch of sticky stuff like this. It's already got a lot of foliage. That moss is going to stick to it really nice.
In the American West, Matt has improvised shelters like wigwams, pit houses, and kivas during his time living on the land.
Matt, you know
Get
we're
it,
just staying here one night,
Get that bug.
The shelter I want
Look
to
at
build
him.
sounds
Get him. Is he not gonna eat it? You're not gonna eat it? You're playing with it. Pushing it. Jesus Christ. Not much room on this desk here for me to lay. What the fuck's all this clutter? I think I'll push some shit off. Yep. I think we gotta make some room here. And I'll push it all on the fucking floor for him. Yep. Here we go. A little at a time. We just push it one little fucking thing at a time. He won't know the difference. His snot spray. His Nexium. Yep. He's gonna knock all the shit off. Put it on the couch. Let him look for it tomorrow. Fuck him. Fuck him. Take out some fucking pens, I think. You know. Throw them around on the floor. Just to make the fucking cup light and push them off. We can push the fucking cup off, man. Yep. Sounds like the fucking plan to me. What the fuck you turn the light on for? Let's be fucking around over here and knock the shit off the desk.
The next time everyone's standing around asking
You know, here goes the fucking nasal spray. First running off the fucking edge. He's gonna push it right off the edge. You don't fucking know. Fuck him. He only feeds me.
Think 40,000 can fly? Liquidated. So you're done, buddy.
He's so fucking dumb he don't see me doing it. Just a couple more pushes. I'll wait till you're not looking. Fuck him. Don't pull some pens out. Oh yeah. Just gonna pull them fucking pens right out. One at a time, motherfucker. One at a time.
1,500 pieces of jeweled gold and silver treasure.
Don't cut it all. Fuck them. I'll push it all off. After I lick my balls. Ooh, knock that shit off. Yep. Here we go. Hide it down between the fucking print and the desk. He's so done with that sucker. He fucking looks for it all fucking day and all night. Fuck you, humans. There's some more now. He's gonna put the fucking shit down between the printer with the chopstick. You know? And fuck him. He won't know where it is in the morning. I'll do it on the fucking counter, man. If I get a mouse, go kill you up on the fucking counter. Up in there chasing flies like a fucking crazy cat. She's gonna fucking beat your ass. What the fuck is going on? What? It's a fly. It's a fucking fly. Get it. Get that motherfucker. It's beginner's luck, grasshopper. It's beginner's fucking luck. Yeah. It's beginner's luck. Let's get the fucking fly. Get him.